We're here.
We are there.
Kenan.
Yes.
Finally.
Man, we had some criminals break in. I haven't found eggs in a while.
There might be eggs.
This is a cool species. They do well here in Florida.
Look at the size of this enclosure and how natural it looks.
Oh, get out of here. Get out of here. Come on. Get going.
What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today we've been doing a lot of stuff at my house. As you know, the new 300-gallon saltwater tank. We've been making some bangers over at home. But 10 minutes from my house is my buddy Kamp Kenan's, and it has been since, oh sheesh, when's the last time we filmed here? Y'all probably thought we didn't like each other anymore or something. That's how long it's been. Literally like 3 or 4 years ago was the last time we filmed together. I was just a little Paul. Well, we walk right up to his house and we see these so-called tortoises just chilling right here. And in today's video, he's got, when I mean the coolest zoo, it's literally like a zoo. He's got a dope property. And like I said, the last time we did a tour here was 4 years ago. He's got a lot more new animals, new enclosures. He has a massive alligator now.
Look how big and tough you are. Come on, come on. Get going.
And so much more. So I thought it was time for the Cuffaros, all of us, to come over to Kamp Kenan's place and get another tour. Anyway, let's go find him. I have no idea where he is. I just pulled up. Kenan, I see his beautiful Tacoma here. I'm on a mission. Oh my gosh, lots of memories in this pond right here. Look at this beautiful front pond. We're here.
We are there.
Kenan.
Yes.
Finally. It's been a while.
It has, and we're neighbors now.
I think it's been, yeah, we are. And the new house is, I'm telling you, literally like 10 minutes away from Kenan's. We're gonna give you a full tour of my guy's house today. It's a run-through tour. We're not gonna obviously spend 3 or 4 hours, which we very easily could here. But let's start, I guess, right at the pond that we filmed at years ago.
This was like my first ecosystem pond. From Aquascape. Look at this turtle, man. Yeah,
oh, all right. Do you guys remember my Indian spotteds? They're babies. They're very small. I always go to grab them inside the turtle pond in the fish room.
All right, man. So these guys are awesome. I absolutely love these turtles, but I had like a tragedy. Last summer, raccoons broke in and they actually ate a few of these, which was a heartache, man. So there are 3 left. I need a male. It was a bummer. We put electric up around the whole fence. This was a species I always wanted.
It's literally my favorite. I think it's gotta be one of my favorite turtles. Talk about natural though. I mean, this is all one enclosed. That turtle could make its way over to there and all the way over this way. Uh-oh.
I got it. I got it. So this is the pink belly side neck. Pretty common in pet trade, man. You can find a lot of these, but they're awesome because they don't get huge. That's a boy, by the way. How you going? They're from New Guinea and Australia, Northern Australia and New Guinea, and he's showing us his male parts.
Yeah, he's like, drop me.
Dude, he's a little nervous right now, but this is a teachable moment because he's got this long tail. The vent or cloaca is at the tip of the tail, and he's a little nervous, so he's showing off. So we'll put him back because we want to keep this G-rated, dude. There we go.
I get that name because, you know, it's simple. Their neck goes into the side instead of straight back.
Another really fun thing about side necks is you can only find them in the southern hemisphere. You don't find side necks anywhere else, dude. They're only in the southern hemisphere. So South
Don't touch the wire. Hey, they love the sun.
They do, man. They're just out basking. We got
big old tortoises.
And look at this. That's Darwin. That was Socrates, and here comes Nostradamus.
You're literally the size of me. If I could, Kenan, if you could hold that real quick.
Check it out.
Look at the size difference. This tortoise is the size of me. These are aldabras?
That's those two, that one and that one are Galapagoses, and that is the aldabra.
The shell is how you tell.
Well, yeah, you tell by the shell, but if you look right here, the aldabra tortoise has what's called a nuchal scoot. It's a little segment right there, but if you look right here,
it goes in.
The Galap does not have it.
Otherwise they look the same.
Well, look at their head also. The Galaps are a bit more blocky, right?
Yeah.
They got more of a block-shaped head, whereas these guys have more of a narrow nose. Do you see that, how it kind of gets narrow? Now, the cool thing about them is the reason they have that narrow nose is where they're from on the Aldabra Atoll. There's no fresh water. So rainwater collects in these tiny limestone-like pockets. So they're able to stick their nose in and they can pull water in through their nose like a straw, and then they can swallow it.
Wow.
So it's a really cool adaptation for them to get fresh water when it rains.
Now we know. Aldabra.
Aldabra.
And they're stepping on my leg.
Oh, dude, that can hurt.
That's a nice house, too, for them.
Oh, dude.
What does it look like in there?
Get in there, man. Check it out.
Oh, wow.
We got heat lamps. We got hay.
That's nice.
Yeah, pretty good.
I should stay here one night. Oh, he's drinking right now.
Yeah. There's 13 of them in here.
13 cherry heads in this enclosure right here. And it's kind of cool the way Kenan's got things set up because it's almost like a path. What's over here, actually?
Oh, those are the elongated tortoise.
So you have like just tortoise enclosures spread out, cherry heads, elongated.
I just want everything to be used. I don't want any like dead area of my property. I love having things alive. It's fun to kind of walk out your back door and wander around, and you can just kind of find these beautiful animals. I'm never bored in my backyard, which is a whole, like, since I was younger than you, I'm dating myself, I'm 47 years old, but like when I was about a 5-year-old, I always wanted to have this, and now I do. And
now he does. You don't want to step on them because if you look close, there's so many and they just hide.
Dude,
like,
they're hiding everywhere, man.
Everywhere.
Sometimes I find babies in here, man. And in fact, it's been a long time. I haven't found eggs in a while.
There might be eggs. All right.
So this
on to the next.
is empty. I'm redoing this whole area. I'm gonna move this cage out back. And do we want to go in there before we start talking about the new stuff? Come on.
Sure, let's go. He grows his own cactuses too. So you snap these off, throw them in.
Dude, you know you like
there he goes. See, cactus feeds everything.
It's
the
awesome.
Rhino Iguanas. He's literally eating the piece of cactus I just threw on the ground. Enjoying the nice little sweet treat grown straight out of the Kamp Kenan soil. Kenan's in here already.
Yeah, come on in.
He made his way a lot faster.
With my lizard. This is Petro. He's a rhinoceros iguana. And him and his girlfriend Petra coming up now. She's on her way. These guys are awesome. I get babies every year of these.
Hey, let me know.
I'll let you know, bro.
I'll have to make something.
This is a cool species. They do well here in Florida.
See where they get the name Rhino Iguana.
There you go.
They have that rhino horn.
So these guys in the wild are from the Dominican Republic and Haiti. And they were the largest animals on their islands. In fact, they have cousins all known as the Cichlid iguanas. On every Caribbean island had a different species, and they were the largest lizards on those islands until we brought goats and we brought dogs and cats. Dogs and cats ate them and their babies, and the goats outcompeted them for their food, dude. So now these guys are all threatened with extinction. So it's kind of cool to get yourself a pair of these little guys, captive raised, and you know, just keep them going. It's really neat.
We're going through where Slinky used to be.
This is where Slinky used to live. Now he's a bachelor. Lola, I had to separate. She lives on the other side because Lola and him battle each other too much. And in fact, Lola was getting frisky and bit off one of his toes. So yeah, we don't want our lizard's toes to fall off. So we went ahead and put Lola over here. There's also some little
Chinese box turtles up in there.
Here is my girl. Look at it. I'm gonna bring her up here. She's just awesome, man.
How old is this?
She's 18 years old. Yeah, she's 18.
She's almost as old as me.
There you go. So I don't know, maybe some of your viewers have seen or heard, or maybe they watch my channel, but we had some evildoers, man. We had some criminals break in to this habitat. Okay, they watched my videos. They figured out, they came in one night and stole Inky, the black dragon. Okay, they actually stole this lizard from me. And through the amazing work of Palm Beach Sheriff's Office, the detectives at District 3, they wound up hooking me up and getting this animal back. I
don't know how you got that back.
I don't know either.
It's incredible. Think about the entire world. And where did they find the lizard?
The lizard was in, it was in Florida City, 100 miles south. And
100 miles south, and somehow.
She's also aggro, dude. She's not easy to grab, and I already got bit by Pinky. As you can see, I got bit this week already in one of my videos.
Don't want to get bit again.
Then I got her back, so she's got me wet, dude. How cool. She's tough, but you know, I love her anyway. I don't really care. The way I set my animals up is not to treat them like dogs. This lizard is awesome because I love to watch them interact with their habitats. So this is obviously a little temporary place. We're gonna build something really beautiful for her because she's gonna get about 6 foot. She's a black dragon water monitor. We're gonna build a really cool habitat out back with a pondless waterfall.
Look at this guy just chilling back here.
That's Lumpy. So Lumpy doesn't hang out with anyone else.
He's in the back by storage.
He just gets to roam the whole yard.
Y'all know we're about to have one of these suckers.
Oh yeah.
At my house soon. Literally, it's a metal building. It's just like this, but I think
fish and everything.
Probably like 3 or 4 times that size. But still, I mean, that's what it's gonna look like.
So I'm pretty excited, Paul, about this, dude. This is gonna be Cayman Creek.
Cayman Creek.
That's the name of it. And actually, one of my viewers made an awesome sign. Let me grab it real quick. Look at that, Cayman Creek, bro. So we're gonna have dwarf caiman in here and some smooth front caiman.
A viewer made this?
A viewer made this, my friend B. Hutch.
That's
Bob
sweet.
Hutchinson.
We need to make one of these for every enclosure.
Absolutely, that's what we're gonna do, man. If you want some, I'll get you in touch with him. He does a great job.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Yeah, he's awesome, man. We're gonna have a large fence around this. We just got done building the pond. but it's gonna actually be 2 habitats. I'm gonna have a divider right here. If you can look down in there's 2 culverts, but they have rebar going through them.
I see the rebar.
So the crocodilians can't go through it, and they just live in these jungle pools in South America. They don't even really they don't want large water. They just live in these little pools and they wait for prey, and then they walk around land, so they're very terrestrial. So we'll have the smaller ones here, and then the larger ones are gonna have this. Check it out. How cool is this?
Jeez.
We've got an underwater jet that just pushes the debris up, and then it flows into the vault system right there.
Dude, look at these. Look at this.
Come on.
There's the alligator enclosure. Yeah, we're gonna get there soon.
Can't show you that.
Can't show the code.
Can't show you the padlock code, but everything's locked up now.
Think that lizard can get out of there? Monstera.
Yes, that's right. Monstera delicate.
I know this because I have a girlfriend, and for some reason, every girl
loves
this plant.
Pinky is a female Asian water monitor. She bit me the other day. Head
Pinky's
on over
about
to
to fall.
my channel. You can watch that. Oh yeah, she's just gonna climb on down.
Oh.
So she's a little bit of a character, and so she gave me this cut and this, but it's funny, it's on video. I just kept on working. It is the exact same species, right?
Yeah.
When you meet Slinky, you can be like, no way. But because he's so much larger. She's full grown.
No way.
Yeah, she is. She produces eggs. The problem is that since water monitors have this incredible range all over Southeast Asia, from India all the way through Southeast Asia, all the way down into Indonesia. Let's see if she bites me again. There are different localities, right? So if you get one from a certain island, they don't grow as large, whereas another island, they grow larger. So I don't know where in her range she is from, but she's definitely a smaller female. They're all females that grow larger, but she's a little guy.
Look at the size of this enclosure and how natural it looks. Got all the wood, which is all burnt, and then the screen at the top. This right here, goals if you have a big old lizard. Kenan don't play around. I'm telling you, this is real nice. And then across there is alligators.
This enclosure is my favorite enclosure at the camp. I built it exactly a year ago, and in 1 year, look at all the foliage. Look at all the, I can't wait.
It looks so real in there.
Look at how naked that one looks.
Yep.
1 year. Bam. All right, let's get in here and get Slinky going. Hey boy.
Hey.
Some croc
buddy.
diet. Now he'll eat croc diet. Come here.
So if he bit you, it would feel a little bit worse.
It would feel way worse. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come back in. There, go get that. That's relative. He might whip you.
Yeah.
I want to step in. Oh,
he did it.
That's a love tap, but it hurts. It'll leave a welt.
I got that one on video. Dude, if he taps you, it's the game. It's over.
It's over. Here, let me get rid of him. Let me get him over there. There you go. You're safe now. The day that we were putting the universal rocks on, I got horrible news that a close friend of mine, Fred Grunwald, passed away. So my attention to dialing this in had to switch because Fred and I had, Fred had left his alligators in Cayman to me, so that immediately threw me into a different priority. I had to build an alligator enclosure, and so right now this is taking the back seat. As you can see, I still got a little detailing work that I need to do, but we're almost done with the Cayman enclosure. Once we get the Caymans in here, I can relax and start having fun and doing all the cool detail work. Actually, easy slinks. You see, this is how you make it look like it's one piece.
So that's what it will look like.
Exactly.
And then as of right now, let me show you what it looks. It's just like spray foam, right?
Exactly.
And then this
I
is,
have to just go over with a coffin.
cuts it and then he paints over it.
Want to see the best part of this enclosure? He's a giant Asian water monitor, right? Well, we've got water.
There's water.
There's water, clean water with African cichlids in it. Oh, look at my sea monster. Isn't that awesome, guys?
That is so cool.
This is how these animals should be kept. This is just like my favorite enclosure.
Oh, he's loving life.
He is awesome. Definitely the most famous lizard at the camp. So this is what I consider now the grand finale. And I mentioned my buddy Fred. I also mentioned one of my viewers, Bob Hutchinson, makes beautiful signs. I wrote this little tribute for Fred, explaining to people why it's called Fred's Lagoon. So this is now Fred's Lagoon, and these two animals were in Fred's possession for about 20 years. It's Snaggletooth, the big male, and there is his girlfriend, Dale. Now, these two are gnarly alligators. So are you ready for this or what?
I'm ready, baby. Let's go.
Yeah.
Check out the gate you got to get in through here.
Dude, this thing is holding back some dinosaurs. And as you can see, we have a dinosaur.
Keep out dinosaurs.
All right, here he is.
Oh my goodness.
He's coming, dude. He's coming.
That's a
on,
big
Snaggy.
gator, dude.
There you go, Snaggy, on the side. Yeah, I don't want him to rush out. I really need more room, but here comes Dale. We want to get them in the water, but get out of here. Get out of here. There it is.
Oh, you made it right in his mouth.
Right in his mouth.
Now that they got their little peanut.
Their little, yeah. It's
like,
funny.
what is that to them?
I know, but you know, it's a little treat. They're doing good. I mean, these are beautiful, huh?
Yeah, and this enclosure's big, so,
yeah,
I mean.
Right now, it's the dry season. I can flood it more if I want, but they're gonna have an island. They've got all this beautiful shade. They've got sun. The fence goes down in the ground and then out like 3 foot so they can't dig out. It's really well done enclosure. And that is a big alligator, man. He's about 12 foot long.
He got a gator and 2 feet in front of him.
I got gators. How cool is that though? Open, open, open. Come on. Open, 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 open.
There's another animal that's trying to open for you.
Here we go.
All these tortoises are very interested.
That's the best open. I tapped her on the nose. She opened. Come on, girl. Open. There you go.
Boom.
Nice little. That's awesome, right?
Here he comes. Oh, and he went under.
Look out.
Yep.
You better
That
look out.
is when I walk away.
All right. Smart man. You want how big and tough you are. Come on. Come on. Get going. He's big.
Ew.
Open. Open.
That's crazy, bro.
How funny is this?
Dude.
Come on. What are you doing? I'm missing. I'm missing. Oh,
Don't step on tortoises. They're everywhere.
We can
what
come.
are these?
These are my redfoot tortoises. A lot less stressful than the alligator. So yeah, really cool habitat for them. There's 34 of them in here.
34. How many animals do you have total? Like if we had to add up.
Probably 250 animals altogether. But
And how many acres is this?
2.5 acres, but you know, it sounds like a lot, but it's actually not that bad.
Especially since, I mean, look at the size of this enclosure.
Right. It's about the sizes of the enclosure, where I live, the species I've chosen. It makes things a lot easier for me living in South Florida as well.
The final finale here.
Dude, the rec pond.
Whew, the rec pond. This is better than a pool.
I think so.
Look at those cichlids, bro.
Look at the Tortoisa right there.
Right at the top.
Yep.
Just lit up.
So awesome. We got electric blues, we got Tortoisa.
This would be fun to swim in.
What do you mean fun? As you know, we swim in this.
This has been a while though. I've been swimming here at least 4 years. If this video hits, how many likes?
I don't know. How many likes? You're at a different level. Let's
say 25,000.
25,000 likes? All right.
25,000 thumbs ups right down there below. Smash the like button if that's cool with you.
It's fine with me.
Okay, cool.
We really, the only way to show them the turtles in this pond and the fish in this pond is to get in it.
I was gonna say, there's fly rivers in here.
There are fly river turtles in here. There are giant, like 80-pound Batagra finis.
Yeah, we need to go swimming in this, fellas. So smash that like button at 25,000. I'll come back, jump in this thing with Kenan. We'll both go in, swim together.
Yeah, we'll swim. We'll frolic.
We'll frolic together. That'd be fantastic.
That'd be
fun. Really fun. Yeah. Anyway, smash the like button, and yeah, we'll definitely come back and jump into this rec pond. But there is a bunch of beautiful colored cichlids that have just probably bred by the thousands in here.
Anyone need cichlids?
Camera has 1%.
Okay, let's get it done.
Thank you so much, man. Go to Kamp Kenan's channel down below. It's linked. Subscribe to my channel down below as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.